The true meaning or calling of yoga is communion with God, which is the seeking of the highest form of realization or consciousness one can attain. Yoga is a preparation for meditation or spiritual absorption. As people experience the ecstasy and phenomena of this communion, higher dimensions and forms of life are discovered by the mind, which can then be used as guides to heal. Ironically, from a spiritually progressive perspective, much of the goal in the yoga practice itself revolves around sense detachment, so that one can tap into the supreme. As one progresses in yogic realizations, the heart begins to open and thinking shifts dimensionally and evolutionally. Being the general purpose of pranayama practice and use of kundalini energy, this newly opened heart flowers into Christ Krishna consciousness. BhaktEvolution is a program designed to provide uploads and downloads between peoples of all walks of life and dimensions. With my heart, I say namaste.